The road to becoming a criminal defense attorney was long and varied. I had a variety of experiences through my life that sort of pointed me in that direction. The first expungement I ever did was my own while I was in law school. As a young man, I was attending the LA County Sheriff's Academy and had a little bit too much time on my hands and managed to get myself into some trouble. One morning I woke up and put on a police uniform, and that night I was in a jail cell. That experience changed my perspective on life. I've been in the position of that client going to court trying to figure out what's going to happen and what it means for their future. And I know that people shouldn't be judged forever based on the worst thing they've ever done. And I know that people can make mistakes and go on and be successful and do great things. So getting arrested is not the end of the world, and it's not something that has to follow you forever.
I've been living in Long Beach, California for about 30 years. The reason I reached out to Donald is because I was in trouble and I wanted to fix my situation. I fell into drugs. They got me into a drug dealer, which I wasn't. But the system believed that I was. Donald helped me to fix my situation in a way that I never expected. I was hoping just to have my case reduced to a misdemeanor. I have no record now. I feel like I was reborn.
My first experience with aviation was when I was 14 years old as a cadet in Civil Air Patrol. I used flying in my business to fly to visit clients. I've flown for depositions. When I'm flying, I have freedom. Anything else that's going on in life falls to the background. When somebody's charged with a crime, the government has unlimited resources to destroy somebody's life. When a client hires the law office of Donald R. Hammond, they're hiring the best. I have more training and experience than the average police officer. I understand the science and I understand the techniques that the police are using when they're investigating any crime, and I use that experience to get the best results for my clients. We promise every client that they're going to get the best representation and that we're going to fight to get the best result in their case.